We're here camping in Anza Borrego-Coyote Canyon with our friend Ursula. And it has just been absolutely gorgeous. There's our tent set up over there. Got a little fire going. We're getting ready to do some steaks marinated in red wine. Ursula said she would love to camp with us so long as we brought a steak, and so we brought a steak for Ursula. We're gonna have green beans, and we're gonna have good old mashed potatoes. So Jen's got this stuff getting ready to get warmed up. So I'm gonna put the steaks on right now, and we're gonna do steaks on the grill. I have a nice charcoal base here going. We use some California red oak, or it says cal oak firewood, and that made a nice little coal base there. That's what I'm gonna cook the steak up on. So I'm gonna get started on that right now. All right, these steaks have been marinating a few hours.
It's beautiful. I love the clouds. I love the...
So let's see if we can work this
Okay, what can I do?
one-handed. Film.
That's not very much.
Oh, you can't film with a dog though.
Oh, film?
Yeah, but it'll shake too much if you're trying to hold the dog.
Oh, film the...
Hold the bag. Can somebody hold the bag? Now hold this.
Wine? Did you put other stuff in there?
And this one, all I put was the wine and the Montreal seasoning.
What kind of seasoning?
Montreal steak.
They put that shit on everything.
Mm-hmm. Montreal steak seasoning. McCormick's is the brand. You know, they make all the pepper and...
Okay.
But my brother-in-law, Billy, turned me on to Montreal steak seasoning, and I've been using it ever since.
Check them out. Oh, Toby's doing good. Hanging out together.
I need...
Might have to check out the...
Oh, it's in the...
No, I might have to check out the restroom situation.
Oh, okay, it's ready now. It needed to percolate. Oh, that last fart had teeth.
Dude, you're all done.
What happened? I didn't know you were still filming. We were talking shit.
I know, literally.
What's that time when...
Oh, they smell good already.
This is like so, it's funny because I was supposed to do this follow-up dog training class. Worked it out.
There's our 6-minute flip.
That's nice and cozy.
No, she didn't want to put it on. She never wants to put it on.
Give them another 6 minutes and they'll be done.
But that's nice and cozy. Oh my God, I wish I had something like that.
See if I can manage this again. You can kind of, let's see if we can get Mars in there. Come on, baby. Well, the bright one in the middle is see, it's Mars. Jupiter, Pluto, and Saturn. And here you can barely see Mars. You can see Jupiter really well. You can't see Pluto. And you can barely see Saturn. With the naked eye, Mars and Saturn are very plainly visible. Let's get some focus. But that's very interesting to see all the planets lined up like that. Not often you get to see that.